Hello students. In previous lecture we have seen that Cauchy-Squartz inequality. In today's lecture we learn some examples on Cauchy-Squartz inequality. Now what is Cauchy-Squartz inequality? You remember that summation I running from 1 to n ai bi bracket square is less than or equal to summation I running from 1 to n ai square into summation I running from 1 to n bi square. This is Cauchy-Squartz inequality. Okay, using that inequality we solve this example. Okay, so let us see the example. Prove that for positive real numbers x, y, z, root of x into 3x plus y plus root of y into 3y plus z plus root of z into 3z plus x is less than or equal to 2 into bracket x plus y plus z. Okay, so we apply here Cauchy-Squartz inequality for the two sets. Here we see the two sets which are root x, root y, root z and root of 3x plus y, root of 3y plus z and root of 3z plus x. So we are applying Cauchy-Squartz inequality for these two sets. Okay. So this is our a1, b1, okay, a1, a2, a3 and here b1, b2, b3. Okay, we apply this Cauchy-Squartz inequality. So applying that inequality we get here. Okay, left hand side काय आहे summation I running from 1 to n a1 b1 plus a2 b2 and so on or summation I running from 1 to n ai bi bracket square. ओके, म्हणजे दोन टर्मची a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 या सगळ्यांचा स्क्वेअर. दॅट मीन्स LHS इज a1 b1 means root x into this term plus root y into this term plus root z into this term. ओके, या सगळ्याचा स्क्वेअर. ओके, this term is less than or equal to काय आहे पुढची समेशन आय रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n ए आय स्क्वेअर म्हणजे सगळ्या ए आयची चा स्क्वेअर करायचा आणि त्यांची सम करायची म्हणजे काय मिळणार रूट एक्स ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस रूट वाय ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस रूट झेड ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. ओके, इंटू समेशन आय रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n बी वाय स्क्वेअर म्हणजे सगळ्या बी या सगळ्या टर्मचा स्क्वेअर b1 स्क्वेअर plus b2 square plus b3 square. That means root of 3x plus y square plus root of 3y plus z square plus root of 3z plus x square. The square ची term राहिली ना इथे 3z plus x square. Okay, so here we get our LHS is, so this term is less than or equal to, we solve this term. Okay, RHS now root x square x, root y square is y, root z square is z. That means this bracket after simplification we get x plus y plus z and here again square and square root cancel होणार. That means 3x plus y plus 3y plus z plus 3z plus x. Okay, by solving this term we get here 3x plus x, that means 4x, y plus 3y 4y and z plus 3z is 3z. That means we get here x plus y plus z into 4x plus 4y plus 4z, taking 4 common from each term. Here we get x into y into z into 4x plus y plus z. That means we get 4 into x plus y plus z bracket square. Okay, that means we get here root x into root of 3x plus y plus root y into root of 3y plus z plus root z into 3z plus x square. This term is less than or equal to, this term is less than or equal to, here we get, okay, 4 into x plus y plus z bracket square. So now taking square root on both sides, दोन्ही साईडला आपण स्क्वेअर रूट घेऊया म्हणजे इकडचा जो स्क्वेअर आहे तो कॅन्सल झाला. ओके, सो स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल झाल्यामुळे आपल्याला काय मिळालं आहे, टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट फ्रॉम बोथ साईड, इकडचा स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल झाला आणि ह्या टर्मचा स्क्वेअर रूट एक्स प्लस वाय प्लस झेडचा स्क्वेअर रूट घेतला की त्याचा स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल झाला आणि स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2. Okay, now multiplication of root a into root b, you all of you know that root a into root b is equal to what, root of ab होतो. त्यामुळे root x into root of 3x plus y is root of x into bracket 3x plus y root of y into bracket 3y plus z plus root of z into bracket 3z plus x. this term is less than or equal to this. So it is very quite simple example. We applying only Cauchy-Squart's inequality to these two sets x, y, z, and 3x plus y, 3y plus z, and 3z plus x. Okay, so it's a very simple example. Solve it again. Okay, now consider one more example. If a, b, c are positive real numbers, a, b, c are positive real numbers such that a plus b plus c is less than or equal to 3, then we have to show that 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c, this term is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, for this example, we again use Cauchy-Squart's inequality. Here we use Cauchy-Squart's inequality for the two sets which are root a into root b into root c, and 1 upon root a, 1 upon root b, and 1 upon root c. Okay, for these two sets we use Cauchy-Squart's inequality. So our LHS is summation I running from 1 to n ai bi square. That means a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus an bn bracket square. So a1 b1, that means root a into 1 upon root a plus root b into 1 upon root b plus root c into 1 upon root c bracket square. This term is less than or equal to, here first term is summation I running from 2 n ai square, म्हणजे प्रत्येक ai चा square. That means root a square plus root b square plus root c square into second bracket मध्ये summation bi square, 1 upon root a square, 1 upon root b square, and 1 upon root c square. Okay, so after solving this we get here root a and root a will cancel, here root b and root b is cancel, root c and root c will cancel since it is multiplication. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3 square, 1 plus 1 square. This term is less than or equal to, here root a square is a, root b square is a, since square and square root will cancel. So we get here after simplification a plus b plus c into 1 upon a plus 1 upon b into 1 upon c. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, 3 square is 9, 9 is less than or equal to a plus b plus c upon 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. Okay, but we have given that a plus b plus c, this term is less than or equal to 3. A plus b plus c, this term is less than or equal to 3, which implies 9. And we get that 9 is less than or equal to a plus b plus c into 1 upon a plus b plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. But that term a plus b plus c is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so use for this term a plus b plus c, we use this term is less than or equal to 3. For this term a plus b plus c, we use this term is less than or equal to 3. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b into 1 upon c. This term is same. So we get that 3 is less than or equal to, here we get, which implies 3 is less than or equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c, which implies 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c is greater than or equal to 3. हेच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. So here we use only the Cauchy-Squart's inequality. So you have to remember the statement of Cauchy-Squart's inequality, which is useful to solve various examples of this type. Okay.